Hi guys, Boeing stock price has, dropped a lot and looks like it will approach 200 mark. It may go under. I'm pretty sure, the community probably realized that my personal brand had helped Boeing people maintain their market premium while I was working for a Boeing company from 2007 to 2018. Now they lost that, brand because of my personal contribution. No one will pay premium for the airplane. Okay? Believe it or not,